I'm in a really intense force battle at fucking D-Day. These guys are everywhere.
You guys have a medic? No.
There he, oh, he's dead. Got him. Get the medic to the right. Peg that medic.
Get down, nigga!
Whew. We're back. Don't know where he's at. Shit. See that guy over there?
Got one behind that.
Really? Behind that fallen tree?
No, it's a tree with a, like it's right to the left. Hit!
Pull him back.
Watch your right, watch your right, watch your right.
What? Hit! Those are our own guys, aren't they?
Those friendly?
Hey, green, you're shooting at your own.
We're green.
We're green.
Say that's green. Say that's green.
Don't count. Oh, fuck. He just landed right next to me. Guy Captain Medic's got a tan helmet on. Fucker's fast. Very fast.
back some more on that.